Whether it's festive season or special occasion or your professional requirement, everyone wants to feel and look their best. Apart from the normal skincare regime, it is very important to indulge in some skin rejuvenating procedures, not only to feel good, but also to have and boost your confidence. Hello friends, I am Dr. Deeksha Dikshit. I am director and co-founder of Diya Sculptor Clinic and a plastic surgeon in New Delhi. And today we will be speaking about such skin enhancing procedures, the rejuvenation procedures, how do they affect your skin, what are the indications, what are the ideal candidates, and how can we customize these procedures according to your need, and how can we combine 2 to 3 procedures to give you a desired result. To make it easy for you to understand the various skin rejuvenating procedures, let us divide these procedures into 3 basic types. One are the procedures which are predominantly chemical or solution based procedures for rejuvenation of your skin. The list includes that of chemical peels. These are special peels for special indications. Then is neurotoxin or botulinum toxin, and another one is hyaluronic acid fillers. Apart from that, there are many meso solutions available for special indications. Chemical peels are special acid peels which have specific indications. So there are specific peels for specific indications like that for pigmentation, acne scars, active acne and general glow of the skin, and also for resurfacing of the skin. These peels are used under the supervision of an expert. The second is the neurotoxin, which we popularly known as botulinum toxin A. They have special indications on fine lines, wrinkles, on your expression lines, and also for general smoothing of the skin. The third one are the hyaluronic acid fillers. The 2 indications basically for hyaluronic acid fillers are that to give volume to your face, and second to give hydration to your face. Apart from this, there are many meso solutions available which are combined with other therapies to give you hydration of your skin and general glow and rejuvenation of your skin. Then is a very special invasive procedure which we call as platelet-rich plasma therapy, or fondly known as vampire facelift in all the social media circle. What is platelet-rich plasma therapy? It is a therapy which includes a part of a blood component of your own blood is taken, processed under sterile condition, and the platelet-rich plasma fraction of your own blood is separated and delivered in just below your skin. What does this do? These platelet-rich fractions have special growth factors which enhances the production of these collagen cells, causing suppleness of the skin, improving the skin quality, and also for giving you a general rejuvenated and a youthful look. These platelet-rich plasma therapies have several indications. It has an effect on skin rejuvenation. It is very effective in acne scars. It is also a very good resurfacing procedure, and it is also very good for hair loss therapy as well. The improved version of platelet-rich plasma therapy is growth factor concentrate therapy. What is the difference between a PRP therapy and a growth factor concentrate therapy? Essentially, the procedure of making them is the same. The difference lies in the fact that the growth factors are produced outside the body in GFC therapy as opposed to PRP therapy, which are delivered inside your body, and then the growth factors are released from the platelets to give the desired results. The effect of both is seen in around 3 weeks. The downtime is for about 1 week because we combine PRP therapies with various other procedures like microdermabrasion to even resurface the skin and give you an improved quality. Then comes a very special minimal invasive procedure which is known as fat grafting. Even in fat grafting, for facial rejuvenation, we use a special kind of fat which is known as nano fat. Now, what is in general fat grafting? Fat grafting is a procedure in which we take your own fat cells from your own body, churn them, process them, and convert them into very nano fractions, which is known as nano fat. These nano fat is essentially a liquid fat which can be inserted inside your skin even through a very fine needle. The nano fat as such do not have any fat cells, but it has very special and effective skin rejuvenating property because it delivers stem cells inside your skin, which improves the quality of the skin in due course of time. So nano fat is used as a very special skin rejuvenating procedure along with fat grafting also, and as a separate independent procedure also. Now all these skin rejuvenating procedures can be either used singly or as a monotherapy, or they are combined with each other to give you a desired effect. That depends chiefly on the requirement of the client. Second, the expertise of the surgeon. Third, what are the desired look the client wants. The expert looks into the quality of skin the client has, the type of skin he or she has, the effect of aging on the skin, the pigmentary changes in the skin, the uneven skin tone, any kind of scars they have, and any kind of desired look they want. According to that, they can mix and match all these procedures. For this, you need to consult an expert and have a discussion with him or her as to what you want and what the expert can deliver to you. So if you're looking for enhancing your look or having that special glow on your face or in general in your body, you need to consult an expert, a plastic surgeon or a dermatologist for the same. If you have any queries regarding any special procedures or any procedures which we have mentioned, please do write to us. We will be very happy to help you and solve your queries. If you wish to contact us, we will be there and happy to help you. You can also follow us on our Instagram handle, which is by the name of the_Escalper, and can also follow our YouTube videos for further updates. Thank you.